Hi, I'm Reddy. My registration is UR15CS291. This is my second exercise in data access lab. The objective of this exercise is to demonstrate the working of a stack of size n using an array. The element of the stack may be assumed to be of type integer type. The operation to be supposed of push, pop, and display. Which the program should print the appropriate method for stack overflow and underflow. This is the given strategies for doing the program. Now we are moving into the program. For stack is nothing but stack works on a principle last in first out. Means the element which goes the operator which goes to the stack first will be under, and the operator which goes last into the stack will be popped out first. This is the principle of the stack, and while going to the program, the basic header file hash include IOStream is given, and using namespace std the channel library file is declared. Here in stack we use three operations called push to push the to push an operator into the stack, pop to extract the operator from the stack, and to display the stack. To display the all the elements in the stack. Here top is used to display the position of the elements in the position of the stack, and it is also used to check whether the stack is empty or it's overflow. Here constant int size is given, size of the stack. Here it is declared as 5. It means 5 is the constant size of the stack, and an array int is declared here using named stack, in which the size is declared. A function push is declared here, and an argument called data is given. Here a condition called if is used. If this condition is satisfied, it means if top is equal to size minus 1, then the stack is full, and the output is given to the user as stack is full. Else when else the array position is moved to the upper position, means the next position, and then it will be stored in the position called data, and the elements will be the operators will be fitted to the next until they satisfy this case. If this case is satisfied, then it is printed as stack is full. Again, operation called pop operation is used here using pop. Int pop is declared using data type integer. If top is equal to -1, then if this condition is satisfied, then this is displayed as stack is empty. Generally, the first element position address is equal to -1. Else, a temporary value is called, and the stock and the variable will be stored in the position assigned here, and temporary value, and the temporary value is called. Here the global variables are declared, and the main function is also called. This while loop is used to display the user to enter the options, 4 options for performing, one for push operation, pop operation, displaying the stack, and the 4th operation is for exiting the condition, exiting the loop. It means the user does not want any operation to perform, and he want to exit the loop, and the user choice is displayed here. This your program is given to the user to perform to enter an option, whether he want to push the data, pop the data, or to display the stack, and even if you want, he can exit the loop. Here switch case is used to call the respective function, the respective function entered by the user, whatever may be, whether it to pop or to push or to display the data. Here case 1 is for pushing the data into the stack, pushing an operator into the stack. Here cout statement is given to prompt the user to push, enter a value to push, and the value entered by the user is taken into the program, and the function push is called here, and the value of push is printed using the cout statement, and the break case is break. If you want to continue, if the user want to pop the data, the choice entered by him will go to the case 2. Case 2 is to pop the data. Here the function pop is called and value is stored in J, and the output is given using COUT program. If the user want to display all the elements in the stack, here a for loop is used. If I is equal to 0, I is less than the size, and for the increment, the program will print out the stack, I mean the array stack, the values in the stack. Here the COUT hashian is used to print all the numbers in the next line. For loop, the last loop is used because to break the statement. Here the break means the statement, the loop is exited and the operation is cancelled. When we build the program, it is asking the user to enter an option. First we go with push the data. When we push the data, enter the value to push. 1, again 2. Next we will go with pop the data. We enter 2, enter the value to pop. Let me pop out 2. Now when we display the stack, here 1 is shown. This shows that stack works on the principal last and first out. When we enter 2, it is stored in this address, and when pop out 2, the part 2 is popped out, and the 1 is still remains in the stack, and when 4 is add, the loop executes and it returns the value 0, 0. That's all. Thank you.